Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to be going over which Huel product should I buy. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to try Huel. And so with it, the one that I mainly buy is the Black Edition of Huel. Okay, so it's a high protein meal. And with it, if you check out the Black Edition, they have a variety of different flavors where it comes out to around $45 a bag. But if you use my link below to actually sign up, you'll actually get $15 off your first order. Now with Huel, they have all the different flavors. They all taste absolutely great. 40 grams per protein per meal, 27 vitamins and minerals, and it's also gluten-free. Now the really good thing about Huel is that if you subscribe, you're going to save 20%. And the really good thing is that if you still have Huel after 4 weeks, you could actually extend your delivery date so that you don't stack up on a lot of Huel. So sometimes when my delivery date is almost due, I just extend my delivery so that I'm not stacked up on Huel. And so with that, you can cancel quickly at any time. But yeah, I'd say the one that you should definitely try out is the Black Edition. Choose your favorite flavor. I'd say my least favorite flavor is the salted caramel, but I've tried strawberry shortcake and chocolate, and it really does taste really good. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.